Hey guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. Sorry, I had to look, see if something was on my face because I felt like something was on my face. Of course, stuff is on my face. Happy 4th of July. Anyways, this is a tutorial, as you already know because you saw from the title. I already did my brows with my Makeup Revolution brow pencil. My primer is the Benefit Professional Primer. Eye primer is the e.l.f. concealer. Lippy is Natty Nat lip liner from Beauty Vault. Now let's get on to the eyes. So I'm using my BH Cosmetic Glam Smoke Reflection palette for my eyes. My family and my friends were having like a little cookout. We have like a reserved spot at the park. We have like distance from each other. So yeah, we're doing it the smart way. The smart way. Anyways, I just want to get some glam on. So the first thing I'm going to go with is this taupe shade right here into the crease. Then I'm going to deepen it up with this purple shade in the outer corner. And then we're going to do some shimmers. There's like fireworks going on right now. Like everybody is doing fireworks. We have like a set firework at 12 o'clock. This probably will go on when I'm actually there doing the fireworks. What I love about BH Cosmetics shadows is that they're pigmented and blendable and they don't blend into nothing. Like, I swear, I'm running late. I've been running late for a while. I've just been like an hour, 30 minutes late to like friends and events and stuff because I gotta get back to it, you know? Even though I was working, even though I was doing stuff, even though I was like keeping myself busy during the quarantine, your girl's lacking, your girl's behind in life. By the way, the brush that I use is the Morphe M461 brush. It's just like a little diffuser brush. I swear this brush can blend out anything like very, very quickly and very, very smoothly. Now for the lid. So I'm thinking about doing a gradient, doing this silver in the inner corner, then going to this red shade, and then going to this deeper blue in the outer corner. Let's figure this out. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the blue in the outer corner. Oh yes, yes. I love the way their shimmers are, and this is not even with the brush being wet. Oh, yes, yes. But what I don't like about this palette is that the shimmers are very good. So what I just do is like, I blend it with the other side. I just like flip the brush over. But the shimmers are very soft in the pan, so they're very easy to be broken. But what I love about that packaging, that it's like very, very hard, so it's like not easy to break. But oh my gosh, y'all. Yes, I love the way this is looking so far. So what I just did is pop on this lash. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash in Dreamy. And dang, I might have to get a second pair. I got Eleganza. I thought Dreamy would be a little bit too big, but I'm liking it so far. Now that the eyes are done, I'm doing my base with the Revolution Pro Full Coverage Foundation in F17. And you could tell just by that is full coverage. I'm just doing this because I need something that's gonna last and do the math, just last period. So, and this foundation does last. It doesn't come in that many shades, but it does last. Ooh, the undertone is off. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Cocoa. Now I'm going to set my face with my e.l.f. Prime and Stay Finishing Powder in the shade Deep Dark. Yes, look how even but matte, like not too matte, it made my skin. Like, I love it. Okay, for bronzer, we're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution, well, Revolution Beauty Glow Splendor Matte Bronzer in the shade Deep. You already know. Like this bronzer and the Tammy bronzer is like the only bronzers that I bang with. Like you should already notice. Like you already notice. This is the Fenty Beauty one. It's like too purple, too like reddish, too like a blush shade for me. And then their cream bronzers are cream. And I want a powder bronzer. Do you not see how it gave that depth and how it gave that warmth already? You keep it like this and put on like some red blush or something. But for highlight, I'm going in with my highlight from my Madison Miller trio. The other one fell out. I'm glad I have a Z palette because it wouldn't go back in. And this one is like about to fall out. The blush, if this falls out, I'm just going to put in my Z palette and the blush could just, you know, go because the blush don't work for me. I already did a review on this stuff, but I love the highlights. I swear sometimes I hate that I live by a park, but then like I love that I live like a park because your girl is running a little late. It's like almost 11 o'clock. They're almost gonna do the fireworks without me. They just finished, you know, the cooking and stuff, so the food is ready and the girl don't wanna miss it. This is like a rose gold but also like a silver tone highlight, so it goes with that silver on the eye and the red lipstick, and it just makes your skin all glowy and I love it. So this is the final look. Wow, I just realized that everything I have on my face is affordable, so I guess it's going to be affordable for the July makeup tutorial. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Have a great day, have a great night, whenever you're watching this. And videos pop up here, head pop up here. Let's get it, let's go. So here is my outfit for the cookout. Again, like I said, it's like literally just a dress, just chilling family, but eyes and nails and mask. I hope you guys, like I said, have a great day, have a good night whenever you're watching this, and bye you guys. See you Sunday for my Shop My Stash Sunday. Dang, the fireworks, they're going off. It's crazy. Happy 4th of July. Hope you guys are chilling with your family like I'm about to do. See you.